the machine. Go ahead. This is a C706 27 Taylor machine. Ice cream works very well.
You got a bad employee, that's all.
It works very well. That's my husband, guys. This is the back of the truck. 2 generators. Walk up into the stairs. Walk up. And this is fire extinguisher, garbage can. On this side, I can't lift this up for some reason. It's locked. Remote controls, windows. Another garbage can right here. Storage space all up there. All my stuff here. TV back. And ice cream machine right here. Cameras, I'm watching y'all. And go back out here. Here's the sink. That deep freezer. There's the refrigerator. I got another blender though as well. All of this. There's one AC unit. There's the electric panel boxes. But here's one AC unit and there's the second AC unit. There's a camera right there. And there's a second AC unit too.